Hello everyone, this is Ching-Hui. Today I'd like to show you how to add the ocean wave, the form. I already did my alcohol ink painting as the base layer. So today I'm going to apply some Liquitex acrylic ink. And mainly I'm going to use the white one, acrylic, the titanium white. Okay, and then maybe use a little bit the blue color to enhance some part, or maybe a little bit gold for the form of the water, just a little bit. And while I doing this kind of painting, I like to use the air blower, and then I got a palette knife and some water in the water bottle, and just a few brushes that I can manipulate with the alcohol ink paint. I also have some paper towel just to wipe. Okay. I like to talk about the painting right now because after I apply some the blue ink, and then I also spray some water, and I also sprinkle some salt on the ink, and then you can see the ink is still wet. So after they dry, it will create some kind of the water form or the water splash pattern. It's really pretty, so something like that. I want to show you after the painting is dry, you can see the salt still attached on the surface. So you can just simply kind of scrape it off. The reason I want to show you by using the salt to add some effect on the canvas, so it's very small, but it's another way that you can apply on acrylic or ink. Okay, mainly this painting already have some bubble-like small bubble look by using the alcohol. So the salt effect just create even more, a little bit more pattern, so make it interesting. Okay, so I will move to the next step to show you the white part of the ocean. Okay, so I would like to use the titanic white acrylic ink, and then before I use, probably need to shake it. Alright, so I'll just apply a little bit, maybe here. And then, you know, when I create art piece, I like to just be spontaneous. I don't like to, you know, to think too much. So basically just apply it and then just see what it come out, and then kind of modify from there. So pretty. Okay. And also I can apply a little bit water and then make it flow more. Okay. You can see the beautiful